My dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we discuss about the some terms involved in the wave motion. Some terms involved in the wave motion. Before going to the second class, in previous class, what is a wave? Some types of waves we explain. What is a wave motion? So these sections discussed in the previous class. Once more, recollect in the previous wave motion. What is a wave motion? It is a harmonic disturbance. It is an oscillatory disturbance passing through medium due to an energy transformation from one particle to another particle is called a wave motion. That means in a wave motion, the energy is transformation from one particle to another particle or one end to another end. The important point we remember, only the energy transformation from one particle to another particle, but not the particle cannot leave its mean position. Leave its mean position. In a wave motion, the particle velocity in various positions, and the velocity depends upon the medium, not a frequency, not a wavelength. Today we discuss some terms involved in wave motion. 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 What are they? The first one is amplitude. The first one is amplitude. What is amplitude? Amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement. Amplitude means the maximum displacement of vibrating particles in the path of wave from its mean position is called amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement of vibrating particles in the path of wave from its mean position. The maximum displacement of vibrating particles in the path of wave from its mean position is called amplitude. Or the another definition in simply the maximum displacement from its mean position in path of wave. The maximum displacement from its mean position in path of wave is called amplitude. The maximum displacement from its mean position is nothing but the original position before we cannot apply any external force. The body or the system get a original position. For example, it is a surface of the water in pond, or the surface of the water in vessels in our house. We cannot apply any external force. The water is stable. Okay, so the stable surface is nothing but mean position. When we applied some external force on the surface of the water, or a stone is dropped on the surface of the water, a stone is dropped on the surface of the water, what happens? The water get a vibration once up and once down. That means is the mean position is a mean position, that means the stable position, we cannot apply external force. Now we dropped a stone on the surface of the water get a vibration once up and once down. That means from its mean position, once moving upward and once moving downward is upward direction, is downward direction. Okay, is a mean position or stable position. We applied some external force on the surface of the water get a vibration once upward and once downward, is the maximum displacement. So that one is the amplitude, or that one is the amplitude. So now we give the statement of the amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement from its mean position. The maximum displacement from its mean position is called amplitude. Or another example is the wave is a mean position, maximum displacement is called amplitude. Okay, the maximum displacement from its mean position in the path of wave is called a amplitude. The amplitude is denoted by capital A. The units in SI system is meter. In SI system. In CGS system is centimeter. Okay. The amplitude in SI system, units of amplitude in SI system is meter and CGS system is centimeter. Okay, is the amplitude. The next one is the second one is time or time period. What is a time in waves, or what is a time period in wave? Time or time period is nothing but the time taken by vibration of particles to complete a to and fro motion is called time. Time or the time period is nothing but the time taken by vibration of particles to complete a to and fro motion is called time. What is a to and fro motion? Already we discussed in the first year simple harmonic motion. To and fro motion. To and fro motion is nothing but in a wave is the wave, or water waves is upward, is downward. To and fro motion is nothing but in a wave motion the particle must be get a motion on both sides, up and down, or left to right is nothing but upward is downward, is upward is downward, is to and fro, or another it is a main position once and is. That means is the origin. To and fro motion, that means both sides motion, or up and down, that means to and fro motion. So the time taken by the vibration of particles to complete to and fro motion is called time. Okay, is denoted by capital T. The units are seconds in all systems. Units are seconds in all systems is a time. So the next one is frequency. The next one is frequency. What is a frequency? Frequency is nothing but the number of vibration of particles in the medium per unit time interval. The number of vibration of particles in the medium per unit time is called frequency. The number of vibration of particles in the medium per unit time interval or per unit time is called frequency. The frequency is denoted by N or mu. That means N or mu equals to 1 by T. Per unit time, The number of vibrational of particles in the medium is called frequency. Or another definition, by using the formula 1 by t. 1 by t is nothing but inverse, the reciprocal value. So another definition, the reciprocal value of time period. The reciprocal, that means we can write t inverse. The reciprocal value of time period is called frequency. Another statement, by using the formula, the reciprocal value of time is called frequency. So the units of frequency is nothing but to Hertz or Hz. Hertz or Hz. Hertz is a scientist. So that name is given, the frequency Hertz, or in letters Hz is the units of frequency. Okay. So the next the next one, velocity. Velocity. Already we learn in first year displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, some other etc. In generally, velocity is nothing but the ratio between distance by time. Okay. In generally, the velocity is nothing but to distance or displacement by time, v equals to d by t. That means t equals to 1 second, v equals to d per unit time interval. How much distance is covered by the wave, how much distance is travelled by the wave is called velocity. Simply, by using the formula v equals to displacement by time or distance by time, v equals to d by t or s by t. T equals to 1 second, v equals to d. That means per unit time interval, how much distance is travelled by the wave is called velocity. In simply, so that is the statement. The distance travelled by or the distance covered by the wave per unit time interval. That means the distance travelled by the wave per unit time. Per unit time means 1 second. The distance travelled or covered by, for our conveniently the term is used. The distance travelled by the wave per unit time interval is called velocity. So velocity equals to distance by time. Here distance is nothing but to, the next one we learn. Distance is nothing but to wavelength lambda and time is nothing but t. That means lambda into 1 by t. What is 1 by t? The reciprocal value of time is nothing but frequency. That is called frequency. That means v equals to lambda into n or v equals to n lambda. Okay. Is the velocity, the distance travelled by the wave per unit time interval. By the formula v equals to distance by time, lambda by t, lambda into 1 by t. That one is, for our conveniently we can write lambda by t, lambda into 1 by t. There is no change. 1 by t is nothing but frequency. Already we learn the reciprocal 1 by t equals to n or mu. So is n, v equals to n lambda. Okay. The velocity is different in various mediums. That means in solid, in liquid, in gases. What is the velocities? For suppose velocity of sound is maximum in solid material, the next one liquid material, the least one in gases. Okay, that means velocity steel greater than velocity water greater than velocity in air. Clearly we observe the sound velocity is more in solid material, very least or minimum in air. How much velocities? In a steel 5000 meter per second greater than in a water 1500 meter per second, in air 330 or 331 or some other cases 332. 332 is taken in equation Vt equals to V naught plus 0.61 into T. In that particular case, V naught velocity is nothing but 332 meter per second in that particular case. Remaining cases, the velocity 330 meter per second or 331 meter per second. The temperature is very small, the velocity at a room temperature. In that particular situation, 332 meter per second. The remaining cases 330 meter per second or 331 in air is the velocity in solid material is 5000 meter per second. The velocity in water or the liquid 1500 meter per second. In air 330 or 331. In that particular case, the velocity is 332 meter per second. The next one, wave length. The next one is wave wavelength. Wavelength is nothing but a distance. Wavelength is nothing but simply a distance. How much distance is travelled? How much distance is covered when the propagation wave in that medium? Wave is produced from the vibrating material. The produced wave is moving some distance. Okay. How much distance is travelled? That one is wavelength. So wavelength is nothing but the distance between two successive vibrating points in the path of wave motion. The distance between two successive vibrating particles in the path of wave motion. Two successive points is nothing but in furtherly we learn in a transverse wave, longitudinal wave, stationary waves. What is a two successive points or nearby near points? Okay. Here the statement of wavelength is lambda, the distance between two successive vibrating particles in the wave motion is called wavelength. The wavelength is denoted by lambda. Denoted by lambda is a distance, the units is the same. In a SI system, the units are meters. In CGS system, the units are centimeters. The wavelength. Okay. The next one is wave number. Wave number. Wave number. Wave number is nothing but already in hydrogen spectrum mu bar equals to 1 by lambda into r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here n1 equals to 1, n2 equals to 2, 3, 4 is the Lyman, Balmer, Paschen bracket fund series. The Rydberg constant r. In that particular case, mu bar equals to 1 by lambda equals to r into, we learned in the first year. Okay, already that equation can write mu bar equals to 1 by lambda equals to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here n1 equals to 1, n2 equals to 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So Lyman series n2 equals to 2, 3, 4, Balmer, Paschen bracket fund. At that particular situation is right. So that one is the wave number mu bar equals to 1 by lambda. What is a mu bar wave number? Is nothing but it is the number of waves per unit length. It is a number of waves per unit length. It is a number of waves per unit length is called wave number. The wave number mu bar equals to 1 by lambda. Lambda is nothing but wavelength. 1 by lambda equals to lambda inverse. What is the units? Meter inverse in SI units, centimeter inverse in CGS systems. Okay. Is the wave number. The next one is particle velocity. Particle velocity. Particle velocity. What is a particle velocity? When the wave is propagating through the medium, particle velocity is nothing but first the wave is propagate. So when the wave is propagate through the medium, the velocity of vibrating particles is called particle velocity. When the wave is propagate through a medium, the velocity of a vibrating particles is called particle velocity or velocity of particle. Okay, when the wave is propagate through a medium, the velocity of a vibrating particles is called particle velocity. That particle velocity is denoted by V suffix P. The velocity of particle Vp equals to a square minus x square. The equation can write in further classes. That means is angular velocity, A amplitude, A is amplitude, and x is a distance of particles from starting point. Particle from starting point. Starting point is the particle velocity. So these are all. The last one is phase, is denoted by phi. Phase is nothing but when the wave is produced from the vibrating body or vibrating system. When we applied some external force on the body, on the system, body or the system get a vibration body gives the waves. The produced wave is propagate through that particular medium. Which medium we can use? Through the medium the wave is propagate. So the phase refers when the wave is propagate through medium, the phase refers or the phase gives the state or the position of the wave gives. State or position. State or position gives the phase. The phase is denoted by phi. And also path difference. Path difference is nothing but that one is denoted angle. How much angle makes when the wave is propagate through medium. 90, 45, 60, 180, 270, how much angle is making when the wave is propagate through that particular medium. That angles gives the path difference is phase difference. Is a phase always gives state of the wave or the position of the wave gives, but path is nothing but to how much angle making when the wave is propagate through medium. Okay, so is the involved terms in wave motion. Tomorrow discuss about the syllabus, mainly how many types of waves, what are they, and what is the properties or what is the difference. Tomorrow will be discussed. Okay, thank you.